Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much
hands. You like that? Yeah, I thought you would.
I have an awful garbage filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, it's weird. This is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have another unboxing, y'all.
I'm so excited!
This is the Look Fantastic box, and this is obviously in its box, but you hear that? I think there's some things loose in here, so I figured why not look at this box in all its glory until we rip it open. But if you're not familiar with Look Fantastic, first and foremost, thank you so much to Look Fantastic for sending this box my way. That being said, if you are interested in checking out this subscription box, I do have another code for y'all to use. If you purchase through the link in the description box below, you can receive your first box for $1 when you purchase a 12-month subscription. Now, for those who do not know what Look Fantastic beauty boxes are, well, let me tell you about them, sis.
Look Fantastic Beauty Box is a beauty subscription box from the UK that promises at least 6 hand-picked items. Each box includes skincare, hair care, cosmetics, and body products curated around a theme.
All right, let's open this bitch up. Ooh, that felt so Hulk-like.
Me like subscription boxes.
Ooh, beauty beyond boundaries. This is actually a really pretty box. In every Look Fantastic box, you get a nice brochure that tells you a little bit about the products and blibbity blop blop. We'll look at this later. I swear, sometimes I think these are my favorite part of the boxes. All right, so this is the 6 products that we got. Okay. Love a dusty moment. Yes, I know it came from the Pube Monster Shrapnel, I know. I think the last time I did this box, I was like, oh my God, it's dusty. No, it's from the Pube Monster. With that said, here are the things that we got in this month's box. First and foremost, there is a quote on the inside of this box that says,
"There's no force more powerful than a woman determined to rise."
Just give her equal pay, please. Okay, that's what we're fighting for. Let's open this little booklet up. So this is what you get in this month's box, and there's only one product in this box that could have gotten something else, and that's from First Aid Beauty. So instead of getting the coconut water cream, I got the facial Radiance pads. So that's just something to note. All right, so let's talk about the first product, and this is from Bloom and Blossom. And you're probably saying to yourself, what is it, Teresa? What is it? Bitch, I don't know. That's why we're gonna look in this book and find out. This is a versatile skin-loving wonder balm filmed with a blend of nourishing ingredients to condition and hydrate your skin, whether you're suffering from chapped lips, dry hands, or have a little one in need of extra soothing. Ugh. This natural balm can help. Rich in anti-inflammatory properties. Ooh, bitch, I like that. My hands, I'm pretty sure you can see them, they are rough, okay? Like, they're really bad. So I'm gonna try this out now. I love the shine of this. Time will tell, obviously, if this product actually works, but what I can appreciate is that the cream is thick, doesn't feel super greasy, and it actually feels like it's going into my skin as opposed to sitting on top of it. In any case, I'm excited to have this because my skin is all kinds of fucked up right now. So thank you, Bloom and Blossom. The next product is from Brushworks, and this is the double-ended brow brush. Let's open this bitch up. You know, these brow brushes are kind of lost on me because I don't really utilize them too much. However, I utilize this side of the brush for eyeliner, so I cannot wait to fuck that up, and the bristles feel very, very soft. In any case, I'm excited to have another eyeliner brush. The next thing is from Ahava, and this is the Mineral Mud Soap. This just reminds me of a soap bar that you would get if you're staying at a Hampton Inn. Nothing wrong about it, okay? It's giving me those vibes like I checked into a hotel and I am stealing so much soap because why not? It's there, right? Do y'all do that? When you see stuff that is like, oh, it's, you know, definitely single use, like you just hoard them? I don't know, maybe it has something to do with my childhood, I don't know. When I go to any hotel, I'm like, oh, all this free stuff, great. And then I call down to the front desk and ask for like 75 more. I know, I'm a piece of shit. Anyway, ooh, this feels very soapy because it's soap. What does this shit do? This is a purifying soap that's suitable to use for the both face and body, formulated to wash dirt and impurities without stripping your skin of its necessary moisture. So that is intriguing. Like I keep mentioning, my skin has been very, very dry these days. I'm always looking for things that nourish, so I'm excited to check this out. The next thing is from
Christoph Robin.
Can I tell you, I think I got this product, not this specific product, but I believe I got like a purifying shampoo or something. I don't know if it was from Look Fantastic or Glossy Box. In any case, it's fucking great. I really enjoyed it, and I felt like it did a really good job kind of removing some of the buildup that I've had on my scalp. So I'm excited to try this product.
From Christoph Robin.
And basically what this is, it's a revitalizing hair treatment perfect for dry and damaged hair, full of antioxidant and regenerative properties that penetrate your hair and scalp, protecting your hair split ends and breakage, as well as treating colored hair by restoring pigment to leave it looking vibrant and healthy. I'm intrigued by this because my hair constantly breaks because I have, basically fat witch brownie hair. I look for things that help strengthen my hair, kind of hoping that this mask will do that for me. Of course, I'll let y'all know how I feel about it in the future, but if it's anything like the first product that I received from this brand, I'm gonna fucking love it. So yay.
Good job, Christoph Robin.
I know it's not Christopher Robin, but I can't fucking help not saying it like that. Sue me. Now this product, what is this? This is from Pilar, I think. I think that's what the brand is called. It's kind of weird because half the logo is kind of chopped off, and I'm assuming that's a stylistic choice. Okay. Basically what this is a cooling treatment that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed, combining 3 active ingredients. This face mask, I would have never guessed that it was a face mask. Interesting, okay. This nourishes your complexion by warding off dryness and dehydration. It's an uplifting scent that will revitalize your senses. I love that it has iceberg water because part of me feels like it's iceberg lettuce. Doesn't really smell like anything. Then again, I really don't have a sense of smell, but let's try it again. Alex, can you smell this iceberg lettuce?
Sorry, what the fuck did you just say?
Can you tell me if it smells like iceberg lettuce?
Lettuce?
Well, no,
iceberg lettuce.
It says iceberg.
Iceberg brand lettuce.
It's iceberg water. What does it smell like? Ooh, it got right into your beard.
Oh, it did. It doesn't smell like anything.
Oh, okay.
I mean, which I guess is a good thing, but it just smells like cream, like lotion.
Okay.
Not like ice cream, but like it smells like lotion.
Oh, I'm kind of disappointed. I thought it was gonna smell like lettuce.
Iceberg lettuce.
Oh yeah, because iceberg water. Wash your hands. It could kill you.
Great.
Anyway, we're gonna try this out because this is supposed to ward off any dryness and dehydration, so I'll let you know how I feel about this one, but just know that this does not smell like iceberg lettuce, and that makes me sad. The next thing is from First Aid Beauty, and these are the facial radiance pads, which I feel like I have tried this before and I have enjoyed it. And basically, if you don't know what these are facial pads infused with ingredients to promote a natural, healthy glow to your complexion. They are suitable for daily use, and they work to reduce the look of pores and fine lines while brightening and soothing the skin. I feel like these do a really good job brightening the skin up, especially around my forehead area where I'm trying to diminish those student loan stress lines. So I am really happy to be getting this product. And then last but certainly not least, we have an eyeliner, y'all, and this is from Lottie London. I have tried a couple things from Lottie London. I think their eyeshadow palettes, I believe a wonderful subscriber has sent. I definitely picked up a couple of their blushes from Ulta and really enjoyed the brand so far. What we have here is a pencil eyeliner with a gel finish. So actually, I'm gonna kind of open this up. I am very, very picky when it comes to eyeliners because I often find that they are trash. So let's see if this has a good dry down. Okay. You know what I love about this? It doesn't even look like I had anything on to begin with. All right, so kind of based on that, this is probably not gonna work in my waterline, but I'll definitely test it out and try it out. I kind of find with pencils, there should be at least some sort of remnants there, and doesn't look like there is. So I don't have a lot of hope for this, but we're still gonna give it a whirl. All right, so that is pretty much the box for this month. The box isn't bad. I'm excited about the Radiance pads, the hair mask. This feels wonderful. I always love a good eyeliner brush. This kind of I'm kind of disappointed with that one. This, I'm on the fence about. Doesn't smell like lettuce. As much as I love hotel bar samples, I never use them anyways. I kind of have a feeling this is gonna be one of those products where I never try and I forget about it completely. So half the box I enjoyed. Well, actually a little bit more than a half because I have 4 products over here. So not a terrible box, but not the best box. Still waiting for that box that really is amazing, but we're going in the right direction. Are we? I don't know. Happy International Women's Day. That being said, if you are interested in checking out Look Fantastic, if you purchase through the link listed in the description box, you'll receive your first box for $1 when you purchase a 12-month subscription. So if you are interested, check out the description box. If not, see you next video. Now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have Look Fantastic and if this is what you got or if you got the other thing from First Aid Beauty. Let me know because I'd love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, filthy, trashy, really trashy, kind of disgusting actually, garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. Just want to gobble them all up. If you want to know what is on my nails, along with where to get my podcast and my merch, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye. This is awkward. Whatever.